Itong problem naman nito is application of barometric pressure or absolute pressure and atmospheric pressure, mga ganong bagay. So let me read the problem first. Find the absolute pressure in kilopascal at a depth of 10 meter below the free surface of oil of specific gravity 0.75 if the barometric reading is 752 mmHg. So isa-isahin natin ang ating given So meron tayong given. Gusto ko red, okay? So, the absolute pressure ang hinahanap. So, isulat ko na muna. The absolute is equal to what? At a depth of 10 meter below the free surface. Okay, so meron pala tayong given na surface, liquid, which is oil, at a depth of 10 meters. So, ito-draw ko din yung boundary niya, So, ito daw yung 10 meter. Kasi ito yung surface of the oil, di ba? So, meron tayong 10 meter na given. So, I will also write this from the given. Height is equal to 10 meters. Of SG 0.75. So, meron pa pala siyang specific gravity of 0.75. Also, from the figure, I will also isusulat ko na lang dito sa figure. SG is equal to 0.75. Yan. If the barometric reading, what is barometric reading? Barometric reading 752 mmHg. So mmHg stands for millimeter of Hg mercury. So millimeter of mercury yung naging reading nung kanyang barometer. Pero tingnan nga muna natin ulit kung anong ibig sabihin ng barometer. Barometer. From this, the mercury barometer is an accurate and relatively simple way to measure changes in atmospheric pressure. Ibig sabihin, ang mineasure ni barometer or barometric reading na yon is the atmospheric pressure. So we can say that this 752 mmHg is your P atmospheric. Yan, perfect kaayo. O di, meron na tayong P atmospheric, specific gravity, height. What is the absolute pressure? So, recall that from the formula for absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure. Gauge pressure meaning that is the pressure due to the liquid itself, or in this case, due to the oil itself, due to the gamma or unit weight of oil. Tapos, si P atmospheric is the reading na nga nitong kung ano man itong surface ng oil na ito. So, nagkaroon tayo ng reading na 752. Okay. Ayan. So, paano ba yun? Isa-isay natin itong formula. So, from the formula, P absolute is equal to P gauge. So, PGAGE plus P atmospheric. Wait, sulatan ko lang siya na solution. Solution. Yan, perfect. Tapos, ibaba ko lang siya dito para hiwalay naman siya. O yan, back. Tapos, i-zoom out ko lang. Alam mo, modification, So, this is the main formula na pagtutuusan natin para malaman nga natin si atmospheric pressure. Si absolute pressure. So, isa-isay natin tong given. saan tayo magsisimula? Okay. So, P gauge. Ito si anon, di ba? Ano naman si P gauge? P gauge, recall that the gauge pressure is simply the pressure. I will sulat ko na lang. Pressure due to the liquid itself. So, kung sa lahat ng problem natin ang ire-recall ko sa inyo na ang kinukuha natin dito usually is the gauge pressure. Paano ko nasabi? Doon kasi yun applicable yung liquid. Ano ba liquid ang kinukuha natin? 'Di ba? Ang liquid may property ng unit weight. Tapos kung may given na height, edi given height. So the pressure due to the liquid itself is equal to the unit weight times height. So for all the problem na ibibigay dito sa hydraulics, we are dealing with gauge pressure. Ibang kaso na lang yun kung meron tayong atmospheric and absolute pressure. Meaning, kapag isa sa dalawang ito ang given, kailangan nating isakripisyo or kailangan nating hanapin yung pangatlong nawawala. In this case, absolute pressure ang nawawala. Given si atmospheric of 752. So, ito, papasok siya dito. Tapos, si pressure gauge is the pressure due to the liquid itself. Dito, papasok si oil. Okay? So, nagigets mo na siguro ako. Another pointers. Another point to consider is that in terms of paano po nakuha yung atmospheric pressure, kung sinasabi mo na pressure due to the liquid itself lang naman pala dapat yung sinusolve natin. Remember that for every surface, meron tayo dyang na-accumulate na air pressure. Syempre, hindi lang siya particular sa open space or sa closed space. Minsan kapag meron na tayong barometric reading, so minsan na sasama na siya sa atmospheric pressure. So itong airspace na to nag-a-accumulate or dumadagdag siya sa pressure na nararamdaman ng point na ito. Kasi dito kinuha yung barometric reading, 'di ba? 10 meter below. So kumbaga, the P atmospheric is from the word itself, it came from the pressure due to the atmosphere. Tapos itong P gauge naman na yung alone dito sa color orange or oil. Okay? So, the airspace plus the liquid, yun yung ating absolute pressure. Ano, nagigets? Yeah. Hindi, walang ano-ano eh. Pwede na nating sabihin na makukuha natin si gauge pressure kasi given naman yung liquid. Tapos, si atmospheric pressure medyo complicated kasi naka mmHg siya. So, what is mmHg? That is a unit of atmospheric pressure na naka millimeter mercury. Pero kasi ang kinukuha natin, kinukonsider natin na unit dito is in terms of kilopascal. Kasi makakakuha ka ng specific gravity sa kanang unit weight at kilonewton, 'di ba? Kilonewton per cubic meter. So paano mo siya makukuha kung ang given mo ay 752 mmHg? Eh di i-convert pa natin yung 752 mmHg sa equivalent niya na kPa. Okay? So, ibig mong sabihin, ma'am, i-convert pa namin ito. Yes, 752 mmHg multiplied by Ano yung nasa, ano natin? Ito, under normal conditions, 1 atmospheric pressure at 101.325 kPa is equal to 760 mmHg. So, unit conversion yan. Ano po? 760 mmHg. Eh di, ilan yun? 101.325. So, 101.325. Naka-kPa ka na. So, pwede mo nang sabihin na 752 by 101.325 over 760. O di ang ano na natin, atmospheric pressure at kPa is 100.258 kPa. 100 of 0.258. Oh, kilopascal na yan ha. So, meron na tayong nakakilopascal na atmospheric pressure. So, ito yan. Si gauge pressure naman, paano na po? Eh di ba meron tayong specific gravity ng oil. So, pwede nating sabihin na ang SG is equal, unit weight is equal to SG times the reference of water. So, meron tayong the unit weight is equal to 0.75 SG to ha, times unit weight of water 9. Naka kilopascal tayo, so pwede ko nang sabihin na 9.81 ito. So, ano pang kulang? Gamma pa lang to. Ano yung height? So, 10 meters is equal to 0.75 by 9.81 by 10. So, 73.575 or 58. Pwede na yan. Okay, so meron na tayong pressure due to the liquid itself, P gauge, 73.58 kilopascal, tapos atmospheric pressure of 100.258. We now get that the absolute pressure is equal to 100.258 plus 73.58. So, ang tamang sagot ay 173.84. That is in kilopascal. That is the answer for this problem. So, the concept here, marunong na dapat kayo mag-convert ng atmospheric pressure. Kung naka-mmHg siya, dapat consistent tayo sa units. SI muna tayo, SI. SI unit tayo mag-focus. So, kung naka-mmHg siya, ko-convert mo muna siya sa kilopascal. Paano po, ma'am? Dito, ito yung gagamitin yung table. Ito. Kung halimbawa, in terms of mmHg, so i-multiply mo lang siya. Ito, unit conversion to kilo or mm. Ganon. Tapos, what another concept is the formula for absolute pressure, which is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. So, kapag nakuha mo naman na itong atmospheric pressure, na-convert mo na, tapos alam mo na din yung gauge pressure na gamma H, makukuha mo na yung absolute pressure. Basta itong dalawang ito na nakabox na ito, wag nyo na lang din kakalimutan ha, tabi. That is all. Thank you.